Crayola Color Explosion paper and a clear ink marker are all you need to create a wild rainbow of colors. Want to see what you might create with Crayola Color Explosion Black? You can doodle, create freehand drawings, or make designs with a stencil. Just place it on the paper, trace around the edges. When you're done, return it to the binder. It'll slide right back in for next time. To fill in large areas of your design, make big dots, small dots, dashes, and swirls. Make 3D creations. Cut, score, scissors, fold on the score line, and design. Create signs that really get attention. You can even fringe the edge of the paper. Crayola.com's craft section is just full of great ideas. Imagine what you'll create with Crayola Color Explosion.